Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making maqlooba. Oil 1 cup. Medium size potato 2. Fry on medium heat for 5 minutes. Big size eggplant 1. Fry on medium heat for 5 minutes. Chicken with bone 1 kg. Salt 1 teaspoon. Fry until changes color. In a same pan, water 2 cups. Salt as per taste. Whole spices. Chicken stock 1. Kapsa powder 2 tablespoon optional. Onion chopped half cup. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Tomato. Fried potatoes. Fried eggplant. Half cooked chicken. Soaked rice 2 cups. Chicken stock water. Cook on medium heat for 20 minutes. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please press bell icon. Whenever I upload new video, you will get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.